Good morning, everybody. Quite a simple lesson today, so I won't give you the pain of my voice for too much time. Our next unit of work is going to be on narrative texts, fiction, which are fiction stories. So today we've got a comprehension task based on a piece of fiction writing. So read through the text at least once, firstly, and then have a look at the questions which are here. Now, the three different shapes are basically squares, circles, and triangles are basically three different levels of difficulty. Starting with the squares being the easiest and the triangles being the hardest, with circles somewhere in the middle. But I would like you all to have a go at trying to do all of the questions in all of the boxes. Now, there may be a question that repeats in each section. So if you've already done the question once in squares and it comes up again in circles, don't do it for the second time. But if they're all different, then do all of them, okay? So like I said, those ones will be a little bit harder. Don't forget to write in full sentences for all of the answers, even if it's just asking you for a short word in response. And any questions with the words why or how really need some explanation. And if you can do that explanation by including a quote from the text, which is just kind of a word in those single speech marks, quotation marks, that would be awesome. So I don't think you'll have too many problems. I'm not going to make you suffer by listening to me anymore, but if you do have any questions about any of the questions, just save them for the call and we'll go through some together.